Rolling stone, stone. I'm too hot for you to own.
Quincy, are you ready to make the cupcakes?
Yeah. So cool. We don't open stickers yet. Mine eat that.
What is that?
Don't
Be careful.
Why?
Yeah. Oh, these are the cupcakes we're making.
Yeah.
Okay, let me cut this open.
Stickles. Don't have no stickles. Don't have stickles.
This one has sprinkles in it too.
Yeah.
Okay, you can pour it in there.
It's sugar.
It's not sugar. Sir. Don't make a mess.
Okay.
There you go.
I need my water and that one. My water.
1 cup of water. Pour that in.
Okay. What do now I'm near?
Boy, just pour the oil in there. That's how it says to make it. It's gonna be good.
Okay. Mom. Mom, I don't crack.
Okay, we gonna see.
Okay. I want to crack.
Okay, mommy did one. Okay, good job.
I want this. Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, it's hot. Get out. Oh, look on it.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Hopefully ain't no shells in there. But good thing it'll just be us eating it. You want mommy to help you?
Yeah.
You said no or yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, making cupcakes.
Hold on, let me pour some in here first.
Okay. Yeah. That yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
That one?
Okay, I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's too much in there, okay? You gotta do it like halfway. Like,
That cupcake's working so good.
okay, now do the next one.
Okay. Mm.
You was not supposed to eat that. Okay?
Okay. Well, I need more.
Okay. The oven is ready.
Yeah. It's falling down. Yeah.
Okay. Pour some more in that one.
Okay, am I done?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job. 8 cupcakes. Hey. No, you can't open the oven, Quincy. Get back.
Why?
Because you know it's hot. Okay. Yeah, because you filled it to the top. It's going to be real fat, like a muffin. What does it say?
And then guess what? And then like 5 minutes.
It says all that? Oh, okay. It tastes like what?
Strawberry.
No, it don't. Boy, this is vanilla.
Oh.
It's good though?
Yeah.
I know you're not gonna stick your whole hand in there.
Honey.
I know you want them so bad, but we gotta wait till they cool off, okay?
Okay.
Look at this big one.
Yeah, I see it.
That looks like a muffin.
That
Okay,
one.
let's see how it does.
It's working. It's really working.
It's working. Just do it like this, Quincy. See? Okay, wait for the next one, okay? Hello. Them are for the cupcakes, not for you to eat.
Fine.
Good job.
I made the donut.
Quincy, you gotta wait for mommy.
Listen. Daddy, let's think it's yours.
I don't want sprinkles. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Well, I'm gonna have to do my makeup in 5 minutes and my hair in 30.
I get a check. You still run on my pants and my chest. She not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Kind of behind, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You told me 10, and they clip up like I hoop with these jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, don't get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I earn this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with an S. Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, in them a fold, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger window, I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold.
I'm rushing on my hair, but I'm gonna just do messy curls, so hopefully it doesn't take that long. These titties too big for this. I don't even know why I be playing. I don't know where my comb is. I should just get it out here.
Hands on my knee, all this big X. Hop off a jet, barely get rest. Catch through the mud, I get a check. You still run on my pants and my chest. She not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat the flesh, you know the rest.
This hair curls are really good. That's cute. So let me not do them as tight, because I don't want them looking like Shirley Temple.
Couple Rolex, shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You told me text, really good boy like I Uber to Jesse. This is on me, got my Louis shirt wet. Said him in my bag and get used to these racks. With this school where they teach you finesse. I earn this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. Know the cool fast when they in with an S. The flame on the island, me and couch gonna hop on a Learjet. Got potters every color, I got CCs you ain't seen yet. So I kick the cup and now I'm asking what to go do.
Hey y'all, I'm finished. My camera died, so sorry about that. This is what I have on. Well, actually, I'm gonna just bring y'all along while I snap my photos. But this hair curls really good. We'll see if it holds curl. Well, let me do this. Real tape brushing. Where did my other ranges go? Oh, okay.
Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, in them a fold, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger window, I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold.
My hair is honey. Oh dang, I meant to take y'all with me, but this is what I have on. Okay, y'all. So I've made it to the concert venue. Yes. This is my friend from Spelman. Yes, honey. So we're gonna have a good time in here. I couldn't bring my camera, of course, but I'm gonna try to record bits and pieces.
Baby, do you think of me? Oh, what I'm jealous. Here we go! Oh, it's done! Yeah! Let's... come on! Yo, shit! On the way to the floor, baby! Hey! Oh, wait a minute! Got it going on, word is born, sundress sweet. Yo, sing! Spoken of the only one. We're calling you. If you know what I want, let's go. We're calling you. Can we get on? Hey, True, the True Hill. Jagged Edge. We love you, Austin. Thank you. Thank you, Austin, Texas. True Hill. This is why I'm hot. When I think about it, all the years we put in this relationship, but do we make it this far? Think about what that baby, yes, I've been some baby. Come on, be my baby. Competition, so down with it and so submissive. I've been holding you, you're my baby. Every time that something good happens in my life, you're always there for me, looking good by my side. As the clock strikes 12, I'm sitting here wondering how the hell did I let you leave? Rolling down the lonely highway, asking God to please forgive me. And maybe I promise that I'll never leave, and everything will be alright.
Okay, I'm back home and I'm about to get in the shower, but I just want to show y'all that the curls are still curling. Like, my hair still looks really, really cute. This hair literally is everything. It holds curl and everything. Like, it's still giving body. Go shop. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to close out this vlog. I'm on my way to work. The concert, baby, so much fun. Like, when I first bought the ticket, I'm just like, don't know if I'm gonna have that much fun, this, that, and the third. But literally every song, every performance, every group, my man gotta know the old jams, baby. If all you know is rap, like, you gotta know the jams. Like, I want to be having R&B night at home. I want to be jamming at our wedding to the old school jams. Like, all that. If you don't know the old school music, the old school R&B, then you're not for me.